What appears on screen is a 360mm all-in-one liquid cooler with a dense radiator and 3 fans. The Thermalright Frozen Infinity 360 seems positioned in the performance cooling segment for users building high-end desktop systems that generate significant thermal load. At first glance, the radiator quality appears to be one of the more discussed aspects of this cooler. The fin density and copper construction seem designed for efficient heat transfer across demanding processor loads, particularly relevant for processors in the higher TDP tiers. One thing that stands out is the fan selection. Thermalright's bundled fans have developed a positive reputation for balancing airflow, static pressure, and acoustic performance. At full speed, the noise level seems manageable compared to similarly performing alternatives. Moving on to the pump and cold plate, the contact quality with the CPU surface appears consistent in mounting results, and the pump noise seems relatively low at default speeds. Most user reports describe steady temperatures during extended gaming and content creation workloads. From here, the ARGB lighting appears integrated across both the pump block and fans, offering visual customization through software for users who prioritize build aesthetics alongside thermal performance. Overall, the experience feels like a competitive 360mm AIO option for builders who want strong cooling performance without the premium pricing of top-tier brands. Some users may prefer a thicker radiator for maximum thermal headroom. Depending on your processor TDP and case airflow configuration, this appears to offer capable and attractive liquid cooling.